Hey guys, this is Mr. Peng, and I'm going through the first 20 words of your spelling list again. Now, for week 9, you're learning about the suffix able or able and ible, ibble, right? So, this suffix turns the word into an adjective. Now, you might be wondering, when do I use able? When do I use ible? Well, I'm not going to go through that this time, but you just have to remember where to use which one, okay? Bit annoying, but it gets a bit complicated. Okay, let's get started. Your first word is collectible. Collectible is an adjective, and it describes something that's worth collecting or able to be collected. And collect means to bring or gather together. To spell collectible, first spell collect, C-O-L-L-E-C-T, then add the A-B-L-E suffix on the end. So C-O-L-L-E-C-T, A-B-L-E spells collectible. The next word is durable. Durable is an adjective, and it describes something that's able to withstand wear, pressure, or damage. The root word comes from Latin. For spelling, durable starts with the D-U-R, and then you add the A-B-L-E suffix on the end. Just remember here that the D at the start makes a sort of J sound. So D-U-R-A-B-L-E spells durable. Your next word is fashionable. Fashionable is an adjective, and it describes something that's representing a current popular style or fashion. So, as you'd expect, it comes from the word fashion, which is a popular or the latest style of clothing, hair, decoration, or behavior. So to spell this word, we'll use the base word fashion. F-A-S-H-I-O-N. Then we'll add the A-B-L-E suffix on the end. So F-A-S-H-I-O-N A-B-L-E spells fashionable. Word number 4 is desirable. Desirable is an adjective, and it describes something that is wanted because it's attractive or useful. So the word desirable comes from the word desire, and that means a strong feeling of wanting to have something. Again, we're going to be using the base word. Desire is spelt D-E-S-I-R-E, and then the A-B-L-E is added to the end. Take note that when we spell desirable, the E at the end of desire is dropped, so we have D-E-S-I-R-A-B-L-E, and that spells desirable. The next word is reasonable. Reasonable is an adjective, and it means having sound judgment or being fair and sensible. So reasonable comes from reason, which is a cause, explanation, or justification for something. To spell reasonable, we're using the base word again, as you can expect. So R-E-A-S-O-N spells reason, which is followed by the A-B-L-E suffix. No trick here. So R-E-A-S-O-N A-B-L-E spells reasonable. Word number 6 is valuable. Valuable is an adjective, and it describes something that is worth a great deal of money. So valuable comes from value, which is the worth of something. The base word with the E at the end of the word is being dropped here. So for spelling, V-A-L-U-E spells value, but we drop the E at the end, and then we add the A-B-L-E suffix. So V-A-L-U-A-B-L-E spells valuable. The next word is hospitable. Hospitable is an adjective and it describes something or someone that is friendly and welcoming to visitors or guests. The base word comes from French. So for spelling, we can actually use another word to help us that's not the base word for this one. The word hospital is very close to hospitable, isn't it? You could remember that people working in a hospital are hospitable. So, Hospital spells hospital, and because hospitable doesn't use the L at the end, we're going to drop that and reuse the A for the ABLE suffix. So, HOSPITABLE spells hospitable. The next word is tolerable. Tolerable is an adjective and it describes something that is able to be endured. So tolerable comes from tolerate, which means to accept or endure. If you don't know what endure means, then it means to suffer through something patiently. For tolerable, we're going to drop more letters from the end compared to the other words where we only drop the E. So tolerable comes from tolerate, which we spell TOLERATE. We're going to drop the E as well as the T, and then reuse the A for the ABLE suffix. So, TOLERABLE spells tolerable. The next word is manageable. Manageable is an adjective, and it describes something that is able to be controlled or dealt with without difficulty. Manageable comes from manage, which means to be in charge of. Phew. This is an easier one. The base word, manage, is spelt M-A-N-A-G-E, with the A-B-L-E suffix just shoved at the end. So, M-A-N-A-G-E-A-B-L-E spells manageable. Just keep in mind here that even though there is an E at the end of the word manage, we don't drop it. Word number 10 is invisible. Invisible is an adjective and it means unable to be seen. It's related to the word vision, which is what you see. So invisible is made of the prefix in, which means not, the VIS for the vision related part of it, and the suffix IBLE. So INVISIBLE spells invisible. The next word is invincible. Invincible is an adjective and it means too powerful to be defeated or overcome. The base word comes from Latin, but the word vincible does exist, which means able to be overcome or defeated. So, as you can expect, invincible also starts with the prefix in, which means not, which is followed by the VINC, then the IBLE suffix. So, INVINCIBLE spells invincible. The next word is infallible. Infallible is an adjective and it describes something or someone that is incapable of making mistakes or being wrong. The base word comes from Latin, but fallible exists as a word, which means capable of making mistakes. Infallible, just like the last two words, uses the in prefix, which is then followed by the FALL, which is pronounced foul and not fall. This is then followed by our IBLE suffix. So INFALLIBLE spells infallible. The next word is intelligible. Intelligible is an adjective and it means able to be understood. It comes from the word intelligent, which is being able to process information. So, Unlike the last three words, intelligible doesn't use the prefix in. It actually comes from intel, which means information. Then, the INTEL, which spells intel, is followed by the LIG, which has a Latin meaning, which I won't get into. And that is followed by the IBLE suffix. So, INTELLIGIBLE spells intelligible. Word number 14 is legible. Legible is an adjective, and it means clear enough to read. So it's a word to describe handwriting. So the base word for legible comes from Latin. Finally, something simple. So LEG for the leg start. Just keep in mind that it's pronounced with the soft G sound. Then this is followed by the IBLE suffix. So LEGIBLE spells legible. The next word is audible. Audible is an adjective and it means able to be heard. So audible starts with aud, which has a meaning rooted in Latin, which means hear. To spell audible, AUD for aud, then the IBLE suffix. Wow, that couldn't be easier. So, AUDIBLE spells audible. The next word is combustible. Combustible is an adjective and it describes something that catches fire easily or burns really easily. It comes from the word combust, which means to consume or destroy by fire. Okay, so finally, we have a base word we can use again. So COMBUST spells combust, and then we just put the IBLE suffix on the end. COMBUSTIBLE spells combustible. Word number 17 is admissible. Admissible is an adjective and it means acceptable or valid. This word is normally used in court for evidence. For spelling, since this is just a word on its own, we're going to spell it in parts. So AD for the ad, MISS for the miss, and then the IBLE suffix on the end. ADMISSIBLE spells admissible. The next word is plausible. Plausible is an adjective, and it means seeming unreasonable or probable, especially when used for an argument or used to describe a statement. The base word for plausible comes from Latin. Again, we're going to spell this in parts. PLAUS for the plaus sound, and then the IBLE suffix on the end. PLAUSIBLE spells plausible. The next word is probable. Probable is an adjective and it means likely to happen or be the case. So the base word comes from Latin, and if you want to use the adverb form of this word probably informally, you might choose to shorten it to probs. I see this commonly online. So for spelling, we're going to spell it in two parts. The first part is PROB for prob, and this is the part that we use when we shorten it in the informal language. This is followed by the ABLE suffix, so PROBABLE spells probable. Word number 20 is possible. Possible is an adjective and it describes something that could happen. So the last two words here might confuse some of you in where to use it. So we have probable and possible. They both start with P and they all talk about a chance of happening. We can imagine that the word possible is a 50-50 chance. it might happen or it might not. The word probable leans more to the will happen side, so maybe it's a 75 chance of happening. To spell it, again, in two parts. P-O-S-S for the POS start, and then the I-B-L-E suffix. So P-O-S-S-I-B-L-E spells possible. Okay, that does it for this week, and hopefully that helped you. I'll see you in the future. Catch ya!